friends, I hope you all are enjoying your keto lifestyle. Cauliflower is one of the most versatile and very popular low carb vegetable. We have cravings for potatoes, corn, rice and green peas when we are on low carb diet or keto diet. And cauliflower is the best substitute for all these high carb and starchy ingredients. There are only 2.9 grams of net carbs per 100 grams of raw cauliflower, making it a star vegetable for low carb diets with many other health benefits. Cauliflower provides high level of vitamins and minerals, rich in antioxidants and also improves digestion. It has fresh and mild taste and can be taken as raw or cooked. We can make numerous keto recipes with cauliflower such as cauliflower rice, pizza crust, fritters, soup and tortillas. And finally, the answer to the question, can we have cauliflower on the keto diet, is definitely yes. Please check our recipe for keto vegetable Manchurian made with cauliflower. I have also added video link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for interesting keto recipes coming your way. Thanks for watching.